twice the life of standard incandescent bulbs. Best value. Original equipment quality seal for the most reliable performance. Always replace in pairs to ensure a symmetric light beam from both bulbs on the road. Bulbs dim over time. Miniature bulbs by Philips. For over 100 years we have been continuously innovating automotive lighting. Philips LongerLife replacement mini bulbs are for drivers who want the best value for their money. Thanks to their filament design and gas fill mixture, these LongerLife miniature bulbs last longer than standard incandescent miniature bulbs. Top reviews from the United States. OEM fitment for auto light bulb inside my Honda Pilot. Has the exact same brightness as stock, so I only changed one map light in the Honda Pilot. I would not recommend buying super bright LEDs for things like map light or vanity lights in your car. Why would you want blindingly bright lights, especially if you need to use these while in motion at night? I think an extremely bright interior light would be a bad idea. These are same as stock and same brightness.